Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnav Mishra Deshmukh. Today's date is 2022 and today's topic is difference between a for loop, while loops, do while loops and switch. First is the for loop. For loop is the iteration of the path of the program and the number of the iteration of the fixed and recommended in a for loop. There are the three types of the for loop. First is the simple for loop, second is the for enables for loops, and third is the ladder loops. First is the simple for loop. It is a simple for loop is a initialization is the C++ and the check a conditions in a check a condition and increment and decrement in a 4 points. First is the initialization. It is the initializations and one statement is the starter loops, and then a number of the fixed and recommended in the for loops, and then condition is the for loops. If the condition is the for loops is used in the utilized in the false, and the boolean value is the true and false of the for loop. For the for loop is the condition is the syntax. First is the for loop conditions, curly bracket is open, and second in the statement and curly bracket is closed, and then increment and decrement of the for loop. Increment and decrement of the for loop in the variable. Then it is the statements. It is the statement is used in the enables in the second conditions, and then it is the use in the while loops. Second is the when used in the while loops. While loops it is the iterations of the loops and part of the program, and then it is the initialize. It is the reference into boolean values in the conditions in the false, and then as soon as the boolean value is the condition is the true and false, the automatically stop. The number of the iteration is the fixed in the variables, and then the recommended in the while loops. The statement of the while loops. The while loop is the while loop conditions, curly bracket open, statement and curly bracket close, and then due to condition it is the expression in the test and executed in the body of the loops. It is the update expressions, and update expression, every expression is increase and decrease the variable. Then use in the do while loop. Do while loop is the iterations and part of the program, and then a boolean value it is the true and false, and then it is the number of the iteration is the fixed and while loops and the little ones, and then use in the recommended of the do while loops. And syntax of the do while loops. First is the do curly bracket open, statement, increment, and then curly bracket close, and then use in the while loops and curly bracket is closed, and then the condition of the do while loops. It is the expression is tested and executed in the while loops, and then it is the variables update the expression, and update expression it is the increment and decrement in the variables is the bracket, and then use in the switch. The switch statement is used in the one statement and multiple condition, if else if ladder, and then it is work in the use in the short, long, int, byte, and then it is used in the whopping in the same that short, long, byte in the int in the string, and then it is the point of the remember in the switch in case n number of the case in the switch is expressed, and then it is the case switch case values is the unique, and in case in the duplicate in compile time error, and in case value is the expression in the ladder and constant does not variable. Then use in the in case value is the use in the statement in the break statement optional, and then use in the case statement in the default labels in the optional. That is the difference between of the while loops, for loops, do while loops and switch.